mass to mass. It takes more steps. But it's a more practical problem. Because we measure grams in a lab. Okay? So, you're going to take some steps. You're going to use molar mass. You're going to use mole ratio, those coefficients that we just did. And I'm going to show you two different ways to look at this. So let's look at this balanced equation. And it says how many grams of aluminum So grams of aluminum is what we're looking for. 13.0 grams of oxygen is what we're given. So aluminum oxide, well, we don't care about it in this particular problem. So molar mass of aluminum, 26.98. For oxygen, it's 32.0. You know the mole ratio from the coefficients. So 13 grams of oxygen convert it to moles. 0.40625. Okay. Now, using the coefficients from the balanced equation, like we did in the last section, we'll take that number times 4 divided by 3. 0.5417. And then take that and multiply it by the molar mass. Is this 14.6? Okay. Now, three steps, and I wrote them out 1, 2, 3. So now let's look at this other one. Okay. How many grams of potassium chloride are produced from the decomposition of 25 grams of potassium chlorate? So those are the grams. So we know we don't care about oxygen. So we're going to need molar masses of both of those. Now this time I'm going to set up my 3 steps as one giant conversion. So I'm starting with my 25 grams. of potassium chlorate. And I'm going to end with grams of potassium chloride. So make that big giant fraction. So I've got to put grams of KClO3 here. I'm going to put moles of it on top. So there's one ratio. When we have grams and moles together, that's when moles gets 1 and grams gets the molar mass. So let's add up KCl. O3. 3 oxygens is 48. A chlorine is 35.45. And potassium is 39.1. So we have 122.55. So now I'm going to bring moles of KClO3 to the bottom. Moles of KCl will be on top. So there's step 1. Step 2. We get these numbers from the coefficients. They both happen to be 2. So now we bring moles of KCl to the bottom, grams of KCl to the top. Here again is molar mass, so moles gets 1. And I'm just going to subtract my 48 from my oxygens from that, and 74.55. Okay, so mathematically 2 over 2 cancels. So we just have divided by 122.5 and multiplied by 74.55. Now we could use that 25 that we started with. And we get 15.208. Look back at our given information, and we only have 2 significant digits. So there is our answer.